garage. Today we have a used car behind us my friend just bought with a tan interior with a lot of spots, sweat marks and stuff. I've always had black interiors that weren't too bad. The 350Z I built, it was really bad, but the black hid a lot of it. This has tan interior. I've never done like a deep clean to see if we can get spots out. It's always been something on your mind when someone spills something in your car or whatever. So I got some product from Superior Image out in Tempe, Arizona. I'll leave a link in the description to their website. You can see right here, this is the after, this is the before. We already have awesome results. This is the first time I've ever done an interior clean like this to this extent with tan interior. Our 10-to-1, hit all the bad spots. You're gonna put it in the rag. You wanna bounce all that dirt so it comes out of the carpet and not smashed into the foam deep below. When in person, you can see some of the spots start to come up, but then when we do some of the next steps, they really come out all the way more than you think. We're gonna take our 30-to-1 now, mist the whole thing, move to a new part of our rag, put the brush in here, and we're gonna go back and forth. Quite a few hours later, we got the final product. I'm happy with it. This is an older car. It had a lot of stains. Never done tan interior, and check it out. The biggest takeaway is that you don't need to soak your mats in water or degreaser or soap to get stains out. You need the right chemical with the right techniques, and you want to let that chemical do the work for you and use a little bit of elbow grease to pull the stains out instead of trying to force them out by soaking the whole mat and going from there. I hope you guys added these mental tools to your toolbox up here as far as how to approach tan interior or some stains. This was awesome to see the before and after and how much more clean the car is overall, how it looks, smells, and just feels overall. So shout out to Superior Image. I have a link in the description to order that product as well as the tools. carmaspeed.com if you guys want to support the channel, as well as the Facebook group and Instagram page down below. Hope your interiors are a little cleaner.